guys, see, I'm they catch me since the morning. I never chop. See my neck, say,
Likewise, me too. I never chop too. And I get one idea. I'm a phone blind man and I save up for business.
Chai!
Help your brother. Help me, God will help you. Help your brother. Uba daba,
Bambiala,
Elero Didi,
Bambiala,
Eleja Didi,
Bambiala,
Abuba daba,
Bambiala,
Abuba daba,
Bambiala,
Elero Didi,
Bambiala,
Eleja Didi,
Bambiala,
Abuba daba,
Bambiala,
Elero Didi,
Bambiala. Bros. I got to smart give you back this one.
Who be your guy?
That beg already for that
Continue.
I don't touch your guy now. What's up?
Tell my give say you must collect.
Chai!
No, they call you stuff.
I dash you.
Jesus
Lord. But this COVID-19, they get 1,000.
Will you keep quiet?
Papa, bro, that brother no collect this money.
You know if you collect time now, you don't carry all his problem for this year. You don't put up for this money. Well, I know if you put up for this money now, I don't touch it.
I know you collect time. This day that business now, full business.
And now good business, I don't tell you, you know,
Together.
Take on Facebook, Keflo Comedy.
Subscribe on our YouTube channel. Take no comment.
Peace, y'all. We love you. God bless you as you subscribe. Yeah. How you gonna follow?